Hello my friends, I have another template for you for Fusion Davinci Resolve. This template you can download on my blog, and link for my blog will be under the video and video description. Also, I have to warn you that this template takes a lot of time to render. So let's get to it. Alright, once you open the Fusion, go on FX Library, Templates and folder where you extracted the file. Just drag and drop abstract background number 18, connect to media out, press 2 on the keyboard for media out, wait few seconds to render, and then you will get the background. Now I ungroup and show you this is only particle emitter and with enhance it with glow and one background. Background is solid black. This particle emitter you can change here in the style if you wish, and I use the region sphere, and then this is the merge where I make the animation for the rotation. As you can see here, keyframed from the start and the beginning, 30 seconds. I use the ambient light. Ambient light is intensity I had 0.5, and then I have 4 glows. These glows you can change obviously. Let me show you without the glow. This is without the glow, and this is with the glow. But I have to warn you that this really takes a lot of time to render if you use the glow. On my machine it takes more than 2.5 hours for only 30 seconds video. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.